I just realized that my account was actually safe enough for me to keep going, so I'm gonna keep on doing it on my account that has over 240 subscribers. And I am going to do it the Love Baby channel, the channel that has at least 9 to 10 subscribers, as my gaming channel, because I don't really have a gaming channel and it would be kind of great if I did. So make sure you follow me. My name is Andy underscore loves underscore XOXO. Yeah, you should probably find my name. Andy underscore loves underscore XOXO. Right? Yeah, that's my username, so make sure you follow that. I love you guys so much, and I will post probably my face and stuff, because I might do a face reveal if I get to 500 to 1k, so yeah. And make sure you follow.